I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds so white, and bright, blessed day, dark sky night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Really, they are saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, and they learn much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.